If you are like me, you probably want the newest and shiniest version of Android Google has to offer. This luxury was previously restricted to Nexus and Pixel devices. Being a beta tester for Google meant you needed a Google branded phone, and nearly every other Android phone on the market was incompatible with the beta channel of Android. In this video, we can share with you how to install Android beta on the Oppo R15 Pro using firmware. If you are new in this channel is about Android update, Android development, gadgets review. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell button for new updates. Unlike before, Android P beta is no longer limited to Google Pixels. Thanks to Project Treble, it's now possible for other non-Google users to enjoy the beta version of Android on their devices. And one such group is the one using Oppo R15 Pro. For some phones, upgrading to the P beta is a little tricky. Oppo's process is not quite that instant. While phones like the Xperia X2 simply needed to be connected to some software on your PC, if you want to see the process for Sony Xperia X2, link in description. Download the new firmware directly onto your Oppo R15 Pro. Power down your device, hold the power button and volume down to entry recover mode. Select installation of upgrades. Find the firmware in your downloads folder and tab upgrade. At this point, you will need to wait for the installation to take place. It should not take too long. After it's done, you can tap reboot and wait for the phone to boot itself back up. Now you will have to access to the Android P beta on your Oppo R15 Pro. When you upgraded to the Oppo R15 Pro, Android P beta, be aware your local data will be removed. This is a fresh install, so remember to back up your data to the cloud or an external storage. This is a fresh install, so remember to back up your data to the cloud or an external storage device to make sure you can access it later. The Android P beta will also remove ColorOS and any stock apps from the system, leaving just a few basic Google apps. The experience will be quite different from the phone you purchased. This is a very vanilla version of Android. You can still download whatever apps you might need from the Google Play Store, but you likely have to sideload any other apps markets you might need, including the Oppo App Store. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe.